What if you are able to partition your computer hard drive to either separate your operating system from your personal files or partition your hard disk further to keep personal files and then work files on different hard disks on your same machine? In today's video, I am going to show you exactly that. So let's dive right into the video. The first thing to do is open your file explorer. You can press Windows and E to open it. Click on this PC. Now you could see that I have only one drive partition here, which is local disk C. So right click on this PC and then show more options. Click on manage and then click on disk management here. So once it's open, yes. So from disk 0, that's my internal hard drive. So I only have 100 gig as my internal hard drive, and then I have disk C here. I have C partition. So click on C, right click on C, click on shrink volume. So it calculates and then it gives me my total volume in megabytes. So I have only 100 gig as my internal storage. So I want to shrink only 10 gig from it. So 10 gig is 10,000. 10 with 3 zeros. So yes, so in megabytes, 10 gig is 10,000 megabytes. So in megabytes, so 10 gig, 10,000. If you want to shrink 20 gig, is 20,000. If you want to shrink 100 gig, it's 100,000. 1 terabyte is 1 million. So 10,000. So click on shrink. Okay, so now we shrink it. So now we have the C here, and then we have unallocated 9.7. So click on the 9.7. That's the volume we just shrunk. So right click and then new simple volume, next, and then assign the following drive letters. So no, so next, and then new, enter volume label. I don't want it to be new volume, so I want to maybe so Ghost Eye. I'll rename it to Ghost Eye, and then I'll perform a quick format. So next, and then next. Good. So now we are done here. So you can see that we have C as the drive we had already, and this is the new one we just created, which I named Ghost Eye. So I'll close this box here. Okay, so now if you go to our file explorer, we have the local the C. We had this already, and then I have this because I'm running it on a virtual box, and then I have Ghost Eye as my new partition I just made from my internal 100 gig hard drive. So thank you for watching the videos. So this is how to partition your computer's hard disk. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.